Largest baby bird hatching. Whatever you see in the sky was an egg before. As you notice, several eggs laid everywhere, but uniquely in pairs. The coexistence of birds is remarkable. The white and black colored staying together in harmony. Other birds laying triplets and seal it off as you witness it here. Hatching as twins have a sense of brotherhood. You have to struggle if you are to survive this wildness. Not much love from the mother. Staying together helps them to warm each other. Being independent here may not help you survive as a baby. You have to depend on each other. Approximately 100 young ones hatch a single day. This island entirely occupied by thousands of birds of different species. A chorus of bird songs takes over the sky of this island.